Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations with another unboxing, and this time it is my daughter,
Sherry.
And we're going to be doing the Bella Rose Advent box. I couldn't think what it was called. All right, you want to show the box?
I'm sorry.
And it's got some really pretty snowflakes on the side,
There
and
you
look at
go.
the back. Show the back. The back's cute too.
Kathy, the professor. Show the back. Show the back. Now show the sides.
Isn't
Show
that
the
a cute
sides.
snowman?
Before she says it, okay, there's snowflakes.
Okay.
And then what's that? Oh, it just says Bella Rose quilts. All right.
Alrighty.
And the other side also has
And watch your
snowflakes.
drink over there so we don't accidentally spill it, please.
It's coffee.
Yeah, well, whatever.
Just,
Still a drink. A drink is a drink. Just turn it sideways. There you go.
there we
Okay.
go.
If you got this box, you have to print out the Winter Snow Kitty, which I did. That's what this is here. That's the Winter Snow Kitty. So here's a letter from the ladies. It says, "We are grateful you've chosen to celebrate the magic of the holiday season with our limited edition 12 Days of Christmas Advent box. This box is a heartful creation thoughtfully made with you, the quilter, in mind. The patterns or projects were specifically designed to bring you joy as we celebrate the magic of the Christmas season together. This box is filled with hand-picked treasures, sure to inspire and bring cheer to your sewing room. Each item was carefully selected for its quality and charm, bringing this vision to life. Inside you will find 12 individually wrapped gifts, each waiting to be unwrapped over the 12 days. Well, I'm already past my 12 days, so we're going to just start opening it. Exquisite fabrics, hand-picked selection of gorgeous quilt shop quality fabrics. Ariel and Ava quilt patterns. These patterns are designed specifically for this box. Special projects, which are unique, cozy projects designed to inspire and delight. Wonderful surprises, little treasures to brighten your quilting space. All your clues are inside the red envelope. There is a separation page between each clue, so you can pull one at a time and save the rest for tomorrow's adventure. Thank you for being such a cherished part of Bella Rose Quilts. Warmly, Sandy and the Bella Rose team."
I'm sorry, when you said a red envelope, I'm thinking Vanna White.
Last year, I totally forgot to show everything in this envelope.
Really?
Yes, I did, and had to do another one. So
And you
have-
read the paper and still forgot?
I don't know if I read the paper last year. I think I just showed the things that were in the box. We have Frosty Friends Clue 1. That's going to be the snowman.
I was going to say, you just showed them little boxes.
And then Frosty Clue 2. Teasing. So you don't get to see. This says Clue 3. This way it's hidden until you're ready to do it. To view it if you accidentally flip the page. Here's 4. And this is your directions on how to do it. The pages that go after that.
I have a question.
Wait a minute. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Are you containing yourself?
I'm trying.
Okay. Here's assembling the quilt. Right like that. Whoops.
Golly, that's twice I bumped it.
And then you get a coloring page. Okay. All right. So that's everything in the red envelope. What's your
Okay,
question?
I was wrong. I have a second question.
Okay. You need to look at them?
No.
Oh, okay.
I want to know, one. No, I didn't see that. The last one you said was a coloring page. That's one of my questions.
Okay.
You can just color it however you want to. This is
Exactly.
like
Pencils. The pencils.
a... Okay. Okay, well, that answered that question. Number 2, which was number 1. What's the clue for? I don't understand. Why is there a clue page when it has the directions on how to put the snowman together? Or,
Okay, so clue
know what I mean?
1 is explaining to you all the fabric requirements. That's clue 1. Instead of saying day 1, they said clue 1.
oh, okay.
You want to go in order? Day 1?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it's right on top.
Okay, so your beautiful starting fabric, we picked this out, and here it is. This is the package it was in. Is that not adorable?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, and the fabric. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Wow.
Yes. Oh my God. Okay. So we have
Very
white
pretty.
and red. And let's just show the fabric. So we have this cute snowman, little snow critters, little... I don't know if I could get closer or not.
You need to call it coffee.
There's a couple little bells.
Not a
Little
Grinch.
bells.
I think
I'd have washed them.
you even showed them. So
Well,
oh, these are old-fashioned Christmas ornaments.
Yes.
Look at that. Look
Yep,
at
that's
that. I remember those.
Mm-hmm. I probably have one or two still left.
Oh.
Those are glass. They're not even plastic.
Yep.
If you got the old ones.
Sure.
That's pretty.
And when your kids went to put them on the tree and then dropped them, you were like, don't break them.
Well, that's why you have children make their own little
Yes,
decorations, and then they can
we...
put their own decorations up on the tree, and then they don't feel left out.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Same one with the, reminds me of those ornaments.
That's pretty. There for you.
No, it's okay. These are green. I like it. This
A little bit of what, turquoise in it?
yeah. Fast fire saw the box. I guess that one could go that way.
Yeah.
Day two.
Day two.
Two, right?
And it is to press your seams.
That is a 3, right?
Yep.
Good.
The so treasured pattern, tilde fabric and heavy weight interfacing is what you need to create a forever treasure. It's perfect for holding your sewing tools, festive trinkets, or treasured keepsakes. So let me pull out the paper. It's a pretty little fabric bow. This is the master template. And they give you the stabilizer right here. This is so that it won't be flimsy. That holds form. And here are the different fabrics. 2 pieces of the fabric. So that's 2 of them because colors.
House and
That's probably 2. Do you remember what the... And then this is a solid red.
oh, it's a little bit shinier. It could have been a satin.
Yeah.
That's
And
what
then
it
this
reminds me
green,
of,
the
anyway.
green is like the red. Oh, and then there's that really pretty little bitty. They look like...
Oh, wow,
Little-
we're bumping
little
into
roses.
each other today.
I don't know. The room is getting smaller.
Oh,
And that reminds me of feathers and then the flower here.
the room is
Okay.
closing in.
Yeah, the room gets smaller every time I get something new for sewing. And this is
Aw,
the
those are
cardinal.
pretty. I like
Yes.
those.
a special keepsake to adore your tree, reminding you of quilting memories year after year. I'm guessing an ornament. What do you think? A machine.
Oh,
Day 6, exclusively crafted for this box by Debbie Busby of Wooden Spool Designs. We have included the black and white wool to get you started, and the rest is up to your creativity. Here's that. I feel that. Doesn't that feel nice? Black and the white. Let me flip it over here. Black and white.
what are you making with that?
Your snow kitty.
It's the Snow Kitty.
Yes, it's your little snow kitty. Okay, you will always be reminded of Tuesdays and Thursday lives with Bella Rose. Dish towel.
It's a calendar towel
There you go.
for next year, 2020.
calendar
Oh, did you?
2026.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
It's a book.
This ruler stand is a way to hold all your rulers, making them easy to find when you're working on all your Bella Rose projects. All right, I think I can Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
Very pretty.
I see the back of it. It's very nice.
Yes. Okay.
Quilt. What does that say? Looks like Roomba. But
Rulers.
Okay, quilt rulers.
Roomba, huh?
Started with an R.
Day 9, bring the magic of the season to life with bows and trees using the red fabric pattern and table runner piece for this project.
Oh, table runners.
Yes, and oh my
so
gosh,
nice.
that's a pretty one. Isn't it a table runner? And they made showing on this side, it could be a pillow. Day 10, sure to bring some holiday cheer. This pattern is positively perfect for the festive.
Yeah,
There you go, little Scotty dog.
Scottish Terrier.
20-inch block. And then we have day 11. Zip it up in style. This gift is ready to keep you creatively organized.
Scissors, right?
It's a pouch to put your things in. Yes. Nice.
Your notions?
Gold on the inside.
Am I right? Am I right?
Yeah.
Day
Day
12.
number 12.
Oh.
And it says, on the 12th day of Advent box, Bella Rose gave me a project so magical. It'll have you dashing through your sewing machine with glee. Bee and
Wow.
Rose. Isn't that cute?
Very nice.
And now you can show that.
so generous. She said, let me show tape 12. Go like this.
I don't know what it is.
And I don't have my glasses on, so I'm not really sure. Okay. Those. Very nice.
And then we'll lay it all out here so that you can see everything that came in the box. Okay, here's everything that came in the Bella Rose Quilts box. Advent box, I want to make sure I stress that. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't and you want to. I'm not going to force anybody to. Make a comment. Maybe you've already got this box and you've made some stuff and it's turned out great. By all means, put a picture in your comment if you'd like. You can do that nowadays. And hit the little like. And also, I'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Welcome, everybody. Bye-bye.